Christmas. How will Pororo and his friends spend Christmas?
On Christmas Eve, when everyone falls asleep, Santa Claus gives Christmas gifts to good children. Santa Claus is coming to town today. However, he does not deliver any gifts to bad children. What's wrong? Crong, why are you cleaning all of a sudden?
Suddenly, Crong has become a good kid.
It's very clean now.
Crong!
Hello, you all arrived. We have a Christmas party today, remember?
Where's Crong?
Crong is acting very strange. He's been like that since I read a book about Santa. It seems like he really wants to get Christmas gifts.
Hey guys, I think I have a good idea.
What is it?
Come close to me. Okay.
Oh? Huh?
Crong.
Crong, it's nothing. Let's start the party now.
Crong! Crong, 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 crong!
Crong! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
What did our friends whisper about?
Let's go to sleep now.
Ah!
Crong, crong, crong! 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 Crong!
What should we do?
Crong! 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 Huh? I failed.
Now it's my turn.
Crong! Crong! Crong, crong! 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 Crong, 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 crong!
Crong! Crong! Crong! That hat is...
We failed again.
What should we do?
Oh dear. Let's go home for now.
Oh, Loopy,
Yes?
your house.
What's that light over there? Maybe...
Let's go!
Oh, the light is gone!
Oh.
Oh, we have presents!
Our little friends are finally sleeping. Merry Christmas! Oh, ho, 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 ho.
The night of Christmas Eve in Polong Polong village is passing by quietly.